I know that you have this keen interest towards AI and you are an expert of the field. So, how do you see these conferences making a difference? Like, because AI is really coming to the fore and we are living in transitional times.
It was truly an honor to be part of such a conference and to talk amongst esteemed educators. I believe that there have been many technological advancements in the past, and now with generative AI, there will be a paradigm shift, and it's truly imperative that we integrate the technology and AI in the education system in order to be ahead of the learning curve.
So going forward, what role do you think education sector is going to play towards creating a Viksit Bharat? And also, how important do you think to get there? How important it is for teachers to reskill and upskill?
So I think reskilling and upskilling is an ongoing process. As educators, as the management, we always need to adopt to what is the new technology that's coming in. And with the STAR program, I think we get a lot of upskilling, the training program that they're already conducting and that I'm also part of. So I'll be taking one of the sessions and I'm looking forward to that. I feel that as educators, it is also important to understand the role of teachers, that now they'll be facilitators and mentors rather than just being instructors, because they can bring in the critical thinking, the creativity, and the curiosity among students along with AI.
One last question to you. If you meet a young budding teacher who still believes that this reskilling and upskilling process is not as imperative or as important, what will your one message be to that person?
I think we're all learners in our journey. If we say that we've learned everything, that would never be right. So we need to grow with the students, because I truly believe that students are way ahead of us. So in order to be up to date, it's very important to upskill ourselves, and education is such an ever evolving space. So if we are not ahead, then we'll miss the bus.